Today, we're diving into the Reatan Mini PC, a compact system packed with AMD's latest Ryzen AI 9HX 470 processor and Radeon 890M graphics. This mini powerhouse promises serious performance for AI tasks, productivity, and even gaming, all in a tiny footprint. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's break down how this Reatan Mini PC performs in real-world scenarios, from daily. The powerful Ryzen AI 9HX 470 processor ensures smooth multitasking and highly responsive performance for all your productivity applications. With its advanced XDNA2 AI engine and NPU, this system is well suited for local AI applications and creative projects. The Radeon 890M integrated graphics deliver smooth 1080p gameplay, making it suitable for many popular game titles. For very demanding AAA games, its integrated GPU will show limitations, especially at higher graphical settings or resolutions. This mini PC showcases strong capabilities across a range of tasks. Considering the high-end components, let's evaluate if the Reatan Mini PC offers compelling value. The high-end processor, ample RAM, and fast storage provide excellent value, making the component list impressive for the cost. Reatan is not a widely recognized brand in the PC market, which can reduce buyer confidence in long-term reliability, and when stacked against similar mini PCs, the Reatan specifications offer a competitive edge, especially in processing power and features. The current pricing structure indicates strong potential for an even more attractive value proposition during promotional sales events. This mini PC presents significant hardware value. Every product has its trade-offs. Let's look at the main risks and potential complaints. Without extensive third-party testing, the long-term build quality and durability of internal components remain an unknown, posing a moderate risk. The cooling system's ability to maintain peak performance during sustained high workloads is not fully proven, which is a potential. Customer service and warranty support might not be as robust or responsive as what you'd expect from more established, larger. Given its standard Windows operating system and AMD platform, general software compatibility and driver stability should prove reliable. While performance potential is high, buyer risks revolve around unknown factors like cooling under load, brand. Overall, the Reatan Mini PC is a compelling option for those prioritizing raw performance in a small desktop. It offers an impressive spec sheet, especially with the advanced AMD Ryzen AI processor and versatile connectivity. However, the limited brand trust and unknown long-term reliability make it a consideration primarily for tech-savvy buyers comfortable with potential unknowns.